Hey creator, that brand deal you just landed, amazing. But nobody tells you about the hidden taxes that come with it. As someone who's been there, I'm about to share 4 tax secrets that could save you thousands of dollars and serious headaches. First, self-employment tax. When you're a creator, you pay both employer and employee portions of Social Security and Medicare taxes. That's 15.3% of your earnings. Next, quarterly tax payments. Unlike regular jobs, no one's withholding your taxes, so you need to pay the IRS 4 times a year or face penalties. These surprise obligations catch new creators off guard every year. Imagine setting aside nothing, then owing thousands in April. I've seen talented creators quit because they couldn't recover from their first tax bill. Don't let that be you. Here's your action plan. Track every dollar you earn, even small affiliate payments. Set aside 30% of income for taxes. Remember those write-offs? Your camera, software, even that home office space are all deductible. And keep business finances separate with dedicated accounts. This might seem overwhelming, but handling these hidden taxes properly is the difference between a hobby and a sustainable creator business. Start implementing these practices today. Your future self will thank you.